Hey, hi guys, good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening too.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, I think yesterday session is not recorded, guys, because of there is no space in my laptop. That is the reason it is not recorded. So I'm going to clear it. Today I will record it. Okay. So guys, you are completed. Yesterday, what we are going to discuss?
Result set metadata.
Result set metadata, right? Yeah, tell
Yes.
me guys, what is result set metadata? What is the purpose of result set metadata? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. It's used to obtain details of the result set.
What is the purpose?
To obtain the details of the result set.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what we have? Result set metadata. So guys, result set metadata is an interface in the Java Jdbc API that provides information about the types of properties of the column in result set object. This metadata can be used to obtain details about that result set such as column name, column type, column size, and more. Right guys? So yesterday we are going to discuss with that result set metadata and how we can use to that let to know what are the column type, column data type, column size, and property name. We already getting the information by using result set metadata, guys, right? So why use a result set metadata? The dynamic column information, it allows you to dynamically obtain information about the columns in a result set, which is useful when you don't know the schema of the result set in advance. So guys, when we are going to use into the result set metadata, if you don't know to that data type of that column or fields, then we can go for what concept, guys? Result set metadata. What are the database table name? What are the column name is there? What are the data types is there? What are the size is there? So each and everything it can be given by what, guys? Result set metadata. So guys, we already completed to that one of the application by using result set metadata. So we can see, guys, that yesterday this is the application we are going to develop it. So in this application, how we can implement it to that result set metadata, you people can check here, guys. You people can check. First of all, if I want to come in, if I want to get that result set metadata, then what are the steps we need to follow here, guys? First step is that register the driver class, and second step is that get establish that connection object, and third steps what we have to do, guys, here. Third step is that we need to create a statement object. So this is that step 3, guys. That step 3 what we have to do, create a result set object. Create a result set create a statement object, right? Statement object. And what is the next step, guys? Yeah, next step is that when we are going to use into that creating a statement object, create a statement object. By help of that statement object, there is a one of the what we have to do. we need to execute that query. What is the steps for is, guys? We need to execute the query. See guys, this is that step 4. This is that step 4. Execute that query, right? So I'm going to creating a query, guys. See, this is that creating. Third step is that creating a statement object. By help of that statement object, I'm going to execute in that queries, guys. You people can check here, guys. This is that creation of. This is that creation of what, guys? Statement object. This is the statement object I'm going to create it. By help of that statement object, guys, this is that statement object I'm going to create it. That connection create statement method, it is going to returning what object, guys? Statement object, it is going to returning. By help of that statement object, first of all, the by help of that statement object, we need to execute that word, guys. We are going to execute into that execute query method, guys. Execute query method, it is going to expecting what it is going to expecting, guys? Parameter, it is going to expecting. Parameter is nothing but what, guys? You can write a queries, guys. Here I'm going to write into that query. Where I'm going to write in that query? Line number 21. I'm going to creating what, guys? Statement select query. That by help of that select query, I'm going to retrieving the data from that database, guys. This is that query that getting the data from that database, and it can be stored in where, guys? Inside that query reference variable. By help of that query reference variable head, holding that data I'm going to passing as a parameter inside where, guys? Inside that execute query. So that execute query can be returning to that what data here, guys? Result set object, it is going to returning, right? That help of that result set object, I'm going to getting the database metadata, guys. Already I explained you what is data what result set metadata. Result set metadata is that nothing but data about data, guys. Means if I want to know that as a variable, what are the data types it is going to holding, right? Coming to the database, guys. Database, what are the column name, what are the type of that column, what are the size of that field. So if we want to know this kind of information, then we can use to that what are the method is there, guys? Get metadata is that one of the method available inside that result set metadata object. This is that get metadata object, it can be given what, guys? Result set metadata object, right, guys? Result set metadata object, it is going to returning by help of that result set metadata reference variable. Means this is that get metadata object method is going to give into that entire what, guys? Table information. You people can, we can check here, guys. By help of that metadata object, we are getting to that what, guys? Get column counts, how many columns is there. If I want to know that thing, then we can use to that what method here, guys? Get column count method we are going to using. This get column count method can be given what, guys? This is that return type as a int, guys. How many column is there, that column it will be give, guys. I will show you how it is going to getting to that how many columns is there. I need to show you guys today. And what are the next is there, guys? And I'm going to running this application. Really that table information it is given or not, by help of that result set metadata object we can check, guys, right? So I'm going to running this application. When I'm going to running this application, it will be give to that information of what? Table information, guys. You people can check. I'm going to running this application. When I'm going to running my application, it will be give that information, guys. See, I'm going to running this application. Table register the driver class, establish the connection object, and it is going to give in that result set object. You people can check here, guys. You people can check what are the field level information, guys. It is going to give into that field level information. So there is a word, guys. This is that this is the word, guys. It is a package name com.mysql.cz.resultSet is that ResultSetData. Field is that class name, guys. Here field is that class name. In that I am going to get into that what, guys, DB name. What is my database name, guys? Database name, it is going to given as a developer DB. And what are the table name? What are the table name I'm going to using? That is that employees. Employees is that my table name. And what, guys, what are the original table name? It is going to give into that entire information up to that what, guys, database information, right? So my original database table name is that employees, and that column name, what are the field is there, guys? What are the field is there? That field also given. I have a, there is a three fields is there, guys. ID is there, name is there, and address is there. Three field is there, guys. And what are the column name? This is that original column, right? That is ID, name, and address. So you people can check here, guys. So for that ID, what are the data types we are going to using? What are the data types we are going to using for to that name? What are the data types we are going to using for address? So you people can check here, guys. I'm going to using to that database what we have to using here, that database ID means table ID. I'm going to give in as a data type as a word, guys, int, and that name I'm going to give into that data type as a varchar. Same as like for that address, I'm going to give in data type as a varchar, guys, right? So that is, see here, guys, there is a size also it is going to give in. I don't know really when I'm going to creating my table, what are the size I'm going to given for to that int, and what are the size I'm going to given for to that varchar, what are the size I'm going to given to that what, guys, address, ID, name, and address, what are the size I'm going to given. But if I want to know that thing, then by help of that result set object, it is going to give into that all the information of what, guys, this is the table about each and everything it is going to give in, right? So if I want to know that thing, then we are going to use into that word, guys, result set metadata object, right? So this is that given by what, guys, result set metadata is that result set metadata is that what, guys, interface is there. That interface can have into that execute get metadata as well as get column count, guys. So what we have to do, if I want to print what, guys, this is that information it is going to give in, but my requirement what here, guys, I need to show to that what, guys, I need to show the what how to print here, I need to print the data, guys. How I'm going to printing the data, getting the column names and types, guys. I need to get the column names and column types, I need to print, guys. So for that purpose what I need to do, see here, guys, I'm going to getting that information, that column name. How I'm going to printing, you people can check here, guys. You are good into that for loop, right, guys? For loop, see how many field is there, I need to retrieve, guys. I need to retrieve that fields, so that it will be given to that as a list of fields it is going to given. ID is there, name is there, address is there, right, guys? I need to print that. So what should I to do? I'm going to printing the data. How I'm going to printing, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to use into that for loop int I equal to 0. I is equal to 0 or index position, what it will be going to start, guys? Index position start from what? 1, right? And there is a what, guys, column I less than column count, I less than column count plus equal to what is my reference variable here, guys? Column count and I plus plus. Guys, you are good into that for loop, right? What is the purpose of it? System dot out dot println, guys. What we have to print in that, guys? I need to print as a, first of all, getting the data, get column name we need to print, and column column name and column type I need to print, guys. How I'm going to printing that column name and column type. There is a what guys, reference variable dot reference variable dot yeah, reference variable dot what guys, there is a get column name and column type guys. Column name and column type, you people can check what is that column name and column type. You can go and check into the database what is the column name here guys. If I take what is my table name here, employees, right? I'm going to open into that column name. See, column name, id, name, address is that columns, right guys? This is that column. Id is that one of the column, name is that one of the column, address is that one of the column guys. So I need to retrieve that data. So for that purpose, what should I to do? By help of that what guys, metadata data, I need to get as a what guys here, reference variable dot get column name, get column name. There is a method is there guys, get column name is that method, and inside that we need to pass what guys, it can be expecting to that I means that it is that index position started from what guys, this is that index position started from 1. So that first row data it will be print, right? So next what I need to print guys, it will be given to that what is the data. It can be given, it can be printed that data guys. It will be given as a guys, you people can check here, you people can check here guys. So when I'm going to use into that get column count, it is going to return into the what guys, integer data, integer data. But here what is the data, it is I don't know what is the return type, I don't know. Get column name is that method, that method what are the return type it is given, I don't know. But what should I to do? When I'm going to use into the shift alt L button, then it will be give to the return type guys. You people can check, there is a string data it is going to give in. Sir, yeah, there is a, we are not able to use into that any string data type is that string is there guys. Can we check? There is a data type is that employees. See here guys, there is a data type is that what guys, here is that varchar, but it is given to that what guys, string. Why it is going to give in that string? Means when we are going to retrieving the data from that database, at that moment that Java application it will be returning to that only string object guys. Guys, you are getting or not? Everything that is that you people can check. First,
Yes.
first field is that ID, that return type, that data type as a int, but here is given to that what guys, string it is going to getting, string it is going to given guys, right? So it is that database when I'm going to retrieve the database, retrieving the data from the database, that Java application it will be given to that what guys, return type as a string, right guys? So you should be remember it, why it is going to returning the data as a string. Means see that database table database data type is that a different, and Java data types is that a different guys. When you are going to retrieving the data from to that, it will be, see guys, when we are going to inserting the data into that database, at that moment internally this kind of data it will be, this kind of data type it will be what guys, created internally. But when we are going to retrieving the data from that database, that database is what it will be do, that database data types it's not able to getting, it will be converted what data types guys, Java data types. That Java data types it is going to converted, that is what guys, string data it is going to converted. So what should I to do? I need to get that one more object guys, that is metadata dot metadata dot metadata dot get connection is that one of the method is there, and I need to get the data column type guys, dot get column type is the method is there, right? column type. This is that what guys, method name. That method name expecting what guys, that method name also expecting to that what I value, means it is going to given as a I, means it is that started as a index position from 1 guys. You are good into that in what guys, for loop. When you are going to using instead of 0, then that index position it will be check as a 0, but that index position it will be start from 0 in database guys. Database index position start from 1 guys. That be default index position in database, that is 1, and that default index position in Java, that is 0 guys. So we are going to operating onto that table. That is the reason that there is no index position as a 0. We have a that data index position 1. That is the reason I'm going to declaring that index position 1 guys. I need to retrieve the data from first row guys. First column is nothing but that index position it will become. So see here guys, I don't know that get column type also what it is going to returning that column type guys. I'm going to use into that Alt Shift L button guys. Then it will be given to that word guys. You people can check that return type what it is getting guys now. That return type getting to that int now, right? There is a get column count is different guys. Get column name is that different. Get column type also is that different guys. It is going to given as a int data. It is given as a in string data, and get column count given to that what guys, int data. So what should I to do? I need to print that this data guys. I need to print the this data by help of what guys, SOPLN statement. I need to print column, and there is a word guys. If I print as a I, means it will be give to that word guys how many rows is there, that row it will be printed. Column name means what are the columns available inside the table, it will be give guys, and it will be give to that word guys column name as well as column type. You people can check. I'm going to printing that data. How I'm going to printing the data, you people can check. If you use to, if you print to that I value, then what is the output it will become, you can check. See here guys, I'm going to printing the data I, means that index position start from 1 guys. Index position start from 1, that it will be iterate to that index position only 1 2 3. How many table, how many rows is there, those many rows it will be print. You people can check. I'm going to running this application. See here guys, this is that this is the what guys, index position. First index position, second index position, third index position. You people can come and check here guys. There is a how many rows is there guys, you people can check. There is a 3 rows only. 101 means index position 1. 102 index position what guys, 1 only. Index position 1 only. So that this is that index position at index position 1 there is a word guys, 101 is that what id, right? It will be increase that word guys index position, right? Automatically it is going to incremented. But instead of 1 2 3 1 2 3, what I need to do, I need to print word guys column name and column type I need to print guys. How I'm going to printing, you people can check here guys. I'm going to use into that word guys. This is that string I'm going to using plus column names, column names, right? And I'm going to printing what guys next. I'm going to printing next data is that what column name. I'm going to printing column name guys. After that I need to print what guys here, column type. right? So here we can use to that plus symbol, guys, right? If people can check here, guys, I'm going to printing the data. This is that I'm going to SOP statement, guys. I'm going to using this is that information. If you want, then this SOP statement you can use to that word, guys, upon that for loop, right? I'm going to use in that SOP statement upon that for loop. Then my data it will be iterated. How many rows is there? That rows I need to print, guys. You people can check. I'm going to running this application. See here, guys. Column name 1, column name 2, column name 3. There is a for that size also it is going to given, guys. That size also it is going to given. Column name and ID is that size it is going to given, guys. Right? How many times it is going to iterate? Only 3 times, because of it is going to given what, guys? 3 record is there. That record it is going to get in, right? So this is the way we can print the data, guys, for to that column, right? So that index position that I value can having to that word, guys. I value having to that index position start from 1. That 1 to how many record is there? That record it will be print, right? Column name it will be give. What are the column names? You people can check here. This is that column names, guys. Column name it will be given into that what? ID 4, ID is that and ID is that 4 and ID 12. What is ID 4 here, guys? ID is that you people can check here that what we have to call size, guys. See where it is. Yes, there is a field int size is that 4, varchar is that 12, that name as a 12, and what is this, guys? Address having to that what, guys? 12. So this is that information can be printed by using a SOPLN statement, guys. So this is the way we already completed how we can get the information up to what, guys? Table related things. I'm going to using that, right? So today what we have to do, guys, we need to check to that there is a one more concept is there, guys. What are the concept is there? That is what is that, guys? Database metadata, right, guys? There is a database metadata is that concept is there, guys. What is that purpose of, what is the purpose of that result set metadata? If you know, then what is the purpose of that database metadata, we can understand very easily, guys, right? So, guys, that database metadata means it will be give to that what are the data, it will be give to that which type, which database we are going to using, and which version we are going to using of that database. It will be given by to that database metadata object, guys. You people can read it, guys. It is going to given that very clearly. So that database metadata is an interface, guys. Database metadata is an interface in the Java JDBC application. It provides comprehensive information about the database as a whole. It allows you to query that database to get details about the structures and capabilities and various features supported by the database, guys, right? So if people can check, guys, database metadata is an interface in the data Java JDBC API that provides comprehensive information about the database, guys. Comprehensive information about the database is nothing but which database we are going to using, guys. When you are going to seeing this database, are you identified this is the MySQL database or Oracle database? This is we are using to that Oracle database or MySQL database. Are you identify it?
MySQL database.
How you are going to identify it, guys? Tell me. how we are going to identify? Yeah, there is a name is there inside. This is that word, guys. This is that workbench. This is that workbench. That is the reason we are going to identify. This is the what, guys, MySQL database. But some scenario, what we have to know, I don't know. First of all, I'm that not a technical person. If you think as a I'm not a technical person, but which database we are going to using, but I want to know into that one of the application, guys. There is a application is application in the sense what, guys? UI only, user interface. User interface is nothing but you people can check here, guys. I'm going to this is that already I running that one application. Where it is? I will check. See here, guys. I'm going to, this is that UI. I'm going to developing one of the application, guys. That application given me what, guys? This is that application given me, not here, I think. Yeah, you people can check, guys. I need to know that information of this is that my database, what are the data I'm going to store it, that data it is going to give in me. But what should I to do? I want to know, I need to see this kind of information when I'm going to using to that what, guys, that which database I'm going to using, which database version I'm going to using. If I know, I'm not a technical person, I'm that non-technical background. If you think like that, then I will see that a client developer will be develop this kind of application, and I will see that data here only. That data I'm going to I will see here only, guys. But this is the not data, but this is that one of the interface. Interface is nothing but this is that UI application developed into that what, guys? UI technology, that is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and React.js. So that is the reason I'm going to, this is the data came from where, guys? From the database only. You people can check. This is the data it is came from to that where, guys? I'm going to use in that database. I think there is a developer DB, no developer DB. I'm going to checking what is the my database here. I'm going to showing you where it is. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. This is that application I'm going to developing by help of what, guys? There is a, I'm going to give in that one of the application, and in that I'm going to using what database I'm going to using. I will show you with practically, then you people can get right. See here, guys, this is the database I'm going to using. This is the home cleaning DB is there, guys. Home clean DB. This is the my table name, database name, guys. If I go to that database, I'm going to using that database, guys. First of all, how I'm going to use a database is database name, guys. So it will be give to that word, guys, database. You people can check. See here, guys. This is that home clean DB. So that home clean database, home clean DB can contain to that word, guys, multiple tables, guys. So what is that my table name here, guys? There is a user table. How we can identify user table is nothing but you people can go and check into that my application, guys. See, this is that there is a user entity class is there. This is that user entity class, and I'm going to give into that table name, guys. This is the table name, guys. Instead of JDBC, I'm going to using to that word, guys. We are going to give into that we are not able to create a table as a manually, guys. It will be given, there is a annotation is there in framework level, right? So I'm going to give into the my table name as a user table, guys. This is that my user table. Can you go and check into that there is a user table or not inside the database? User table, this is that user table, guys, right? You can click on that table, guys. It will become as a enter information of the uh, inserted data, guys. See, I'm going to retrieving the data. This is the data I'm going to retrieving the data. You people can check here, guys. User ID, this is that user ID 3 9 10 11 12. See here, guys, what is that user retrieval user ID. You people can check here, guys. There is a user ID. I'm going to give into that 17 as a Malla Reddy, 21 as a Pawan Kalyan. See, guys, you can remember here that user ID as a 21. The 21 user ID as a Pawan Kalyan I'm going to give in, right? So I'm going to checking. This is the data came into that where, guys? Inside that my API. This is that my UI development I done, right? So you can check here, guys. Where is my uh, What is that user ID, guys? This is that user ID, right? 21 is that my user ID, and there is a data, guys. This is the data it is getting from that where, guys? From the database only, right? So this is the way I need to check my database name. What is the database I'm going to using, what are the version I'm going to using, what are the database feature it is going to provided, each and everything I need to see here only, guys. This is that UI template we can call as a user interface, guys. By help of that HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Reactjs, I'm going to developing to that what, guys? This is that UI page I'm going to implement it. So same as like I need to know that this is the database, this is the database I need to get the data, guys. How I'm going to getting that database information of that MySQL database? There is a concept is there, guys. What is that concept in name? Database metadata is that concept, guys. This is that database metadata. It will be give to that all the information, what are the type, what are the database name, what is the database name we are going to using, what are the feature, what are the version. I'm see here, version is nothing but what is the Java version is there, guys, you know, right? There is a Java versions. Java 7 version is there, Java 8 version is there, Java 11 version is there, Java 17 version. You people are having idea onto that version, right, guys?
Yes.
Right. Same
Yes,
as
sir.
like there is a database version also is there, but I also don't know what is the database version I am going to using. But that version I need to I need to get, guys. What are the my database version is there? I need to get that thing, guys. So can we see if people can check here, guys? By help of that database metadata, can we get that all those information, guys? Why we are going to why use the database metadata? I'm going to give into that the database information also, guys. It provides essential information about that database, such as it product name. See here, guys, there is a, I'm already mentioned here. If people can check, it can be provided. It can be provided what, guys? Information, database information. It can be given to that what, guys? It provides essential information about the database essential information it will be provided, such as what it will be going to provide. First of all, product name is nothing but which database we are going to using. That database name, it means, are you using to that Oracle database, are you using to that MySQL database, are you using to that any NoSQL database? That database name it will be give, guys. After that, what are the version? There is a version is there, right, guys? That Java having to that what, guys? 1 to 23 version is there. Same as like that database also having that versions, guys. But I don't know what is the version I'm going to using for to that MySQL database. I need to get that version of that MySQL database, guys. So that version also it is going to provided, and that capabilities to support, and it can be provided to that some features, guys. Schema is nothing but a database name, guys. Schema details it can be provided. It allows you to retrieve details information about that database schema, including tables. See, guys, here you people can check how many tables we are going to using inside that where, guys, inside the developer DB. You people can check here, guys. I don't know how many tables I'm going to using. See here, guys, this all are the table. Developer entity is the table name, developer entity SEC, that one of the table name, developer entities is the table name, developer entity SS is the table name, developer data is the table name, employees is the table name, hibernate sequence is the table name, student also one of the table name, guys. But you people can check, sir, can you show me really it is the table or not? How we can get that without using Java? See here, guys, if I want to show that that table, first of all, what should I to do here, guys? I need to enter into that developer DB database. So developer DB database. So how we can enter in that? Use developer DB, right? This is that query, guys. I'm going to enter it into that developer DB. It is going to what, guys? It is getting to that tick tick line it is going to getting. So what should I to do here, guys? I need to show that tables, how many tables available in that developer DB. So there is a show tables. Is that query is there, guys? Show tables. You people can check here, guys. Is going to give in how many tables is there. Same as like this is that query. This is that query. When I'm going to writing as a query, that table name it is going to give in. But same as like I want to know by using help of what, guys? JDBC application, there is a concept what, guys? Result set metadata, that schema details it will be given to that what, guys? Information of that database including tables. It will be given to that including tables, columns, primary keys and foreign key. What is the primary key? What is the foreign key? It will be given to that entire thing, guys. And database capabilities. What are the database capability? It can be holding what, guys? It helps in understanding the database capabilities such as supported SQL keywords, functions, and data types. What it is going to support it, guys? SQL keywords it can be supported, right? And what is the SQL supported keywords? Guys, this is that keywords only. Show tables is that one of the keywords. Use developer DB is that one of the keyword. Same as like there is a word, guys, function there is a function also it is going to provide supported, guys, and it can be supported what, guys, data types that see you people can check where is my data types here. See, I need to check to that employees what, guys, I need to check as the data types of that employees table. So how we can get that data types, you people can check, guys. There is a one of the keyword is there, DESC, and what is the my table name, guys? Employees. This is the way I'm going to get into that word, guys. This is the type data types of that this table and this field. This is the way we can get. But instead of using this query, I need to get the information from to that JDBC application by help of what a concept, guys? Database metadata concept, guys. I need to implement that thing and I will show you practically, and you people can check here, guys. Cross database capabilities, compatibilities, it useful for that writing database independent code by allowing that program to adapt to that different database systems, guys, and their features it can be provided. See, guys, how we can use to database metadata. First of all, this is the 3 steps we need to follow, guys. First of all, get that connection. We need to get that connection. After that, there is a by help of that get a connection, we need to get what, guys? Get metadata, guys. Get metadata we need to use, and there is a word, guys, we can use to that database metadata is that one of the method. I think there is a method what methods also is there, guys. You people can check, there is a methods also is there. Yeah, this is that methods. So how we can retrieve the data, I will develop that one of the application. By using one application and we can develop, guys. Okay, so guys, it will be take as a 10 to 15 minutes. Be carefully concentrate here, guys. How I'm going to retrieve that database name, what are the database we are going to using, what are the database version we are going to using. I need to implement it, guys. Please concentrate here with this scratch application, guys. It is, yeah. So guys, what should I to do here? Can we create a what, guys? Result set metadata, and we need to create as a separate project for that, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can create a separate project for that. Yeah, I'm going to creating a project. Java project. Okay. New Java project. What are the concept we are going to using, guys, here? Database metadata. database metadata. You can give that class name anything, project name anything, guys, and you can create inside that src folder. You need to create as a package name, guys. Guys, you should be practice like that only. Then what we are going to doing, you should be understanding it. This is that package name. Com.soft is that package name, guys. Inside that package name, I'm going to creating a word, guys. Class name I'm going to create it. This is that database database metadata. Metadata I'm going to give in that as a class name. So that what are the steps we need to follow, guys? Here already you know we need to follow the 3 steps here. First of all, tell me, guys, what we have to do. Step 1.
Register the driver.
Yeah, this is the step, guys. This is that we can call as a boilerplate code, guys. Boilerplate code is nothing but how many application you are going to develop. All the application we are going to register the driver or not, guys.
What's that?
See, this is a step we are going to do into that register the driver class, getting the connection and creating a statement object. This is the things we are going to doing for every application or only one application we are going to doing. Every application, right? So what we are going to repeat it that steps, that is we can call as a boilerplate code, guys. What we have to call boilerplate code. So what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to create a sorry. Boilerplate code. Boilerplate is nothing but duplicate, guys. Boilerplate code is nothing but duplicate. Getting or not, guys?
No, sir, I want to know how.
Yeah, you know, yeah, that what you should be know, right? Yeah, I'm going to write into that boilerplate code, guys. This is that we can call as in framework level. This is that boilerplate code. Boilerplate code, guys. Yeah, this is the step is that repeated, right? Boilerplate code. That JDBC application, how many application we are going to develop? We can write we can do that. This is the things, guys. Restart the driver class, and what, guys? Next step is that how we can restart a driver class. If people can check here, class dot for name method. In that we need to pass to that driver class name. How we can pass? Tell me, guys. Com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver, right? Then it will be returning to that word, guys. One of the add throws. You can use to the try catch or throws, right, guys? Instead of throws, you can use to try catch also. No problem. Okay. And after that, what should I to do here, guys? Tell me.
Create connection.
Okay. Step two is that what, guys? Establish that connection.
Establish.
Connection object. So how we can get that connection? What is the method name? Interface name, guys. Driver manager. Driver manager dot get connection is that what, guys? Get connection is that method is there. In that method, what we have to pass? We need to pass 3 things. First one, what, guys? JDBC column
URL.
MySQL column,
MySQL,
localhost,
/localhost, column
3306. What is this, guys? What is 3306? Port number. Developer DB is that database name, and username I need to pass, and password I need to pass here, guys. This is the steps we have completed successfully. So this is that object it will be returning, guys. I'm going to delete this import. Then see here, guys, there is a, it will become what are the method, which object it is going to give in, guys? Connection object.
MySQL.
Yeah, connection con equal to, it will be written. See here, guys, I'm going to import this. Import get connection, and there is a what, guys? Yeah, first of all, I'm going to importing to that connection object. After that, there is a importing driver manager class, and it will be written into that what, guys? It will be returning the throws SQL exception. See, this is that SQL exception. It is written. So what is the start steps, guys? Step 3.
Create statement object.
Create a statement object. Create a statement object. Right? So how we can create that statement object, guys? Tell me.
Connection dot.
Connection or con? There is a
Yes,
reference. Yeah, reference variable as a con. Right? It will be returning to that word, guys. It will be returning to that statement object. Right? This is the steps we need to follow. But this is the steps is not required, guys. This is the steps is not required. So what should I do, guys? This application it will be what, guys? It will be executed this application. This is that statement it will be executed or not, guys? Tell me.
It will be executed.
Executed or? What we did here, guys? Tell me. Is a new project or existed project we are going to create an application?
New project file.
Then what we have to do? What we have to do? You can check here. Will be running or not? Is throwing to that my what, guys? Runtime exception. See, com.mysql.cj.jdbc driver class not found exception. It is going to throw in. What should I to do? Tell me.
MySQL connector.
Yes, we need to add a jar. Modular, add external jars. Go to, yeah, this is that my jar file. I'm going to add it. And now I'm going to run this application, guys. Yeah, it is getting to that Java SQL syntax unknown database, guys. There is no, this is the developer DB. What we are going to missing here? E, right?
Yes.
Driver class register and getting that connection of the device. So I need to instead of what should I to do here, guys? I need to get the information from to that database information I need to get, guys. So what we have to do? We need to create a connection object. After connection object, there is a what, guys? database metadata object we need to get. So by help of what, guys? Connection object. It is that this is the step is not required. I said you right that we no need to create as a third step. But you no need to worry about that. So what should I to do? I need to get that what, guys? There is a con uh, dot
Get metadata.
which method we need to use? Con dot get metadata. Con dot get metadata. Yeah, this is that metadata. It is going to returning what, guys? It will be returning to that database metadata object. Why it is going to getting object? Nothing but we are going to give in as a class name database metadata, guys. We should be changed. Otherwise, it will be given that. See, guys, if you are given that class name data predefined class name as a our class name, that package name we should be give means this is the database class, this is the database interface available in java.sql.database class is there. You people, if you want to check that, I will show you that class also. You people can check here, guys. When I'm going to open into that open declaration, it will be go to that java.sql.database metadata interface. You people can check here, guys. It will be go that, see, public interface database metadata, guys. And that what is that package name? You people can check, guys. Package is that java.sql. That is the reason it is going to get that is it will be expecting here. Yes or no, guys? So I don't want to use to that package name here. So what should I to do? I need to change my class name here, guys. And you can remove to that package name. It will be getting, it will be import, guys. Now see, there is a import java.sql. Guys, you are getting clarity or not, guys, in coding point of view?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is that database metadata. It is getting that information, guys. So what should I to do here, guys? There is a what are the database name is there? What are the version is there? I need to get that thing, guys. So by help of that database metadata, this is that database metadata data, right, guys? So I need to retrieve the data what, guys? Get database product and product name. What are the product means? What are the database name? Which database we are going to using? I need to get that. So what is my reference variable here, guys? Data metadata data metadata dot. This is that metadata, guys. Reference variable metadata dot. What is that method name, guys? Get what is the method name here? Method name is that get database product name. Yeah, get database product name. There is a product name is that method. Yeah, this is that, right? And it will be returning to that word, guys. String it will be returning. Product name it is going to getting. See, if you want to check that is what is the product name, what should I to do here? I'm going to printing that SOPLN statement. What is my database name? I need to check it. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to just checking what is, I don't know, guys, which database I'm going to using. I don't know. I'm not a technical people, but I need to know to the database name. So I'm going to running this application, guys. You people can check. See, my database name. What is which database we are going to using here, guys? MySQL database. You are, yeah, you are getting or not, guys? It is. So I need to use what, guys? First, yeah, database. I got the database name. But what should I to do? I need to use which version I'm going to using for to that MySQL database. I don't know. Really, I don't know, guys. I need to know that thing. So what should I to do? Metadata, guys. Metadata dot get column version. Product version or product name. Product version is that method is there. No, get database. Yeah,
Yes,
get
there.
get
database product name.
database version is there, right? Major product name, yeah, version name is there, right? See here guys, which version we are going to using, that
Yeah.
version also I'm going to printing. You people can check. It will be returning to that word guys. It also returning to that as a string data. So what should I to do? I need to print as a database name as well as version. So what should I to do guys here? Use to that plus operator inside that string. This is the string guys, empty string, and I'm going to using to that what guys, database product version I'm going to using here, right? Print this data guys. It will become as a version of that MySQL version. It will become. You people can check here guys. What is that version? See 8.0.34. See if you want to know that database name database name, and I'm going to using what guys, database version, database version. If people can check, it will be given means that string it will be print guys. It will be give that clarity. See database name. My database name is that MySQL database, and version is that 8.0.34. Right? This is that version guys. Right? So this is the way. This is the way we can
Yes.
get into that word guys. Version. So what we have to do, database product name and product name and product. After that, see here guys, if I want to show to that a list of what guys, table, there is a, I'm going to writing to that query guys. I'm going to writing a query inside that database. See where is where I write that query here, show tables. What are the tables available? That table also I
Yes.
need to print here guys. So what should I to do? There is a get table, is that method is there guys. You can use to that also. Get metadata, metadata dot or else where we can use, yeah, I'm going to using here only, and I print last. Metadata dot get table, get table, get table, and get tables. Yeah, get tables is that method is there, and it is expecting how many parameters. You can check here guys, there is a almost 1 2 3 4 parameters it is going to expecting. How many parameter guys? 4 parameters it is going to expecting, right? So that 4 parameters we need to pass here guys, that I'm going to passing to that as a 1 2 3, and I'm going to passing as a tables. What is the tables here? Table is that I think as a key guys. I'm going to passing, you people can check here guys, I'm going to passing as a table null, and there is a word guys, it will be passed to that parameter what guys, percentage it is going to passing here, percentage symbol, and we need to create a new string. This is that array guys. How many table is there? That all the table we need to pass here, right guys? So there is a table is that table is the what guys, what we have to call it, yeah, table is that parameter. See, and sorry, it will be given I think as a within the double quotation or else no. Yes, so it will be returning what guys, list of tables it will be written. You people can check result set tables, it is going to give in that tables guys. If you want to print, if you want to print as a tables name, then I think there is a multiple tables it will become, right guys? That multiple tables it will become, and we need to use to that word guys, while loop. We need to use to that while loop guys, right? How I'm going to, why we are going to use into that while loop? Because of that data coming as a arrays, right guys? That data coming as a arrays, so we need to write to that while loop until completion of how many tables is there, that table we need to use to that printing the data guys. So what should I to do here? I'm going to printing that data. For that purpose, I'm going to using while loop. While loop is expecting what guys? There is a what it is going to give in tables, right guys? Tables data. Which method we are going to use? Next method. That next method it will be go to that next in what guys? Next how many tables is there? It will be go those many tables. It will be print. So for that purpose, we are going to using. So what should I to do here guys? There is a next method I'm going to writing, and after that I need to print the data. So tables data get a string get a string get a string column name we need to pass here guys, and it will be returning what guys? It will be returning as a string data, right? That return it will be returning the string data guys. Get string table name, yeah, we need to pass as a table name guys. Table name is nothing but there is a what we have to call in database point of view. Table name is that table name, where it is, table name, yeah, this is the table name expecting what guys? MySQL table name guys, table underscore name, right? After that this is that get string is nothing but how many table is there, that table it will be give. And after that what we have to print over here guys? I need to print as a tables guys. I need to print as a table and table name. Already table is getting the data here, right? So and I need to print table names guys. What are the table names is there? You people can check here guys. System dot out dot so system dot out dot println. First of all I need to print as a table name guys, right? Table names, table names, column. And what is my table name here guys? Tables, right? tables. After that I need to use empty string. In that what I need to print here guys? Table names, right? So that is string I'm going to print here, right? So you people can check here guys. It is that table names and column names. It will be given as a table and table names. Yep, only table names is not required. Yeah, we can check what it is going to print. We can check it guys. So first of all I need to print as a table names. After that we can check what it is going to printing as a table name. It will be give to the table name only guys. I'm going to running this application. Yes, is given, is going to give in what guys? There is a MySQL result set IMP JDBC names, table names, table names com.mysql cz.jdbc result set set IMPL. It is going to give in what guys? Me as a hash code. It is going to give in what it is going to getting hash code, means it is not able to getting the data. So what should I to do? Control Z. I'm going to getting Control S and see. This is the tables, right? So I'm going to I guys. This is that hash code because of This is that I'm going to printing directly to that what guys table. When you are going to use into that print into that class reference variable, what it will be print guys, hash code it will be print, but I don't want to that hash code, I need to print as a table's name. So you can remove it, we can remove it, and it will be give as a yeah, string is nothing but it is having the tables guys. I'm going to I will check check here, it will be print as a table name instead of hash code. If people can check guys, this is the table names, this many tables is there guys.
Yes.
Guys, you are getting or not guys?
Yes, sir.
Right, so this is the way guys, instead of string you can use the tables, table, or you can already tables is that a reference what guys, variable is there, then that is the reason you can use the table. So you can copy it and you can print here guys, that's all. It will be give to that same. And if you want to that give into the columns for to that every table, then it will be give that some space. See here guys, table name, this is the table names it is going to give printing. Guys, getting or not, it is how we can get that database name, how we can get that version of the database, how we can get that tables. You are getting or not guys,
Yes,
it is, yeah, this is the way, this is the way we can print the. And one more any get database productivity guys, this is that method we need to use guys. There is a one of the method is there, that method also get database product version, product name, get database product version, get database product version. Which method we are going to use in here? Get a database product version. Yes, yes, that's all guys. This is that information we're going to give into that database metadata. Right, instead of writing to that as a query, we need to get the information by using JDBC application guys, by using metadata concept, result database metadata concept. Really, it is that interesting concept guys, really. Once come out
yes,
this
sir.
JDBC, there is a word guys, there is this is that all the predefined methods is there guys, you should be use the predefined method in JDBC. It is that very simple concept and interesting concept it is, right? So guys, this is the way we can develop. Already I'm given to that code also guys, you people can go and check with this guys, then you can get. And what are the methods is there, methods also I'm going to give in guys. But guys, sir, can you remember to that all the what we have to call method name? No guys, when you are going to, first of all you should be practice, then automatically how we are going to use to that method name, it will become. No one can remember all those methods guys, that 10 plus years of experience guys also not able to remember all the methods, right? See here, when I'm going to, you can check here guys, when I'm going to checking I don't know that method, then you can give that a small what guys, get database product, you can type that and you can use to that word guys, control space, it will be give that. See here guys, that method name it is going to give in, you can select which method we are going to invoke, right? Like that you should be used in real time guys. No one can remember to that all the methods guys, that how we are going to developing that application, that format you should be learn. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all guys, today concept. So tomorrow we are going to using all those things we completed, store that image and retrieve the image, we can what guys, store file, retrieve files guys. We are going to storing that just data, But tomorrow onwards, we can store that image and retrieve that image, store that file and retrieve that file. And after that, there is one of the concept is there, that is the transaction management. Once it is done, then our JDBC concept almost completed, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys, you should be practice it. Really, it is that way you are trying with that job as a freshers or experience, guys. Hello.
What, sir?
You are trying with the job as a freshers or experience.
I don't understand, sir. What do you mean?
Means after completion of that course, you are searching for job, right?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so guys, this is that if you are trying it as a freshers, then this is that important. You can practice it and you can remember that 5 steps. And what is the difference between statement, prepare statement, and callable statement? How many ways we can create a connection object? How many ways we can restart the driver? That is also important. That is the steps we should be remember, guys, as a fresher. If you are trying with a job as a fresher, then you should be remember it. But no, if you are trying with the job as a experience, then there is a hibernate you should be learn. And what, guys, there is a hibernate framework is there, spring framework is there, data spring boot is there, so you should be learn those concepts also. So nowadays, if you are learning as a Java, only advanced Java, it's not enough, guys. Framework level knowledge also required for the job interviewers. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see
Okay.
tomorrow class. Thank you.
Okay.